Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. And today we're going to be looking at the all-weather floor mats from Yeslak for my 2024 Tesla Model 3. Yeslak was nice enough to send these to me for my honest review and opinion, so let's just get right into it. I'm not going to be showing you how to install these into your car, put them into your car, because that's pretty self-explanatory, but I will be showing you all the different pieces that come with the set. All right, so here we have the all-weather floor mats from Yeslak. And something unique about these, or a couple of things that are unique about this, is that it also comes with this like carpet piece already installed here. So you can take it off if you don't want to have it on, or if you want to have that on, it's there for you. I personally, think when you have an all-weather floor mat, you don't need this, but I guess I can see when you would want to. I would probably be taking this off, and you do that just by taking this off here just like that. And it has little clips here, which hopefully it'll be behind, because I don't want to see that all the time. But I think it'll be hidden, when I'm sitting in the car. Both seats will probably be far up enough that you won't see these little clips here. So you can, have these in your trunk if you wanted to, or under the trunk. And that little space, you can put those there and take them out as needed. I just feel like that's more cleaning that I have to do if those get dirty, so I really don't want to be doing that. And then another thing is that it comes with the extended kind of piece here, so that way you can cover that one little area of the car that has the carpet, because as you come in, you come out, you kick it, it gets dirty. So that might be a good thing for some people. I know that they sell just like this little piece here. I've seen those on Amazon and stuff like that. And if you wanted to, you could also just use this to do it. It has Velcro on this end to do it, but just keep in mind that if you do take this off, I'm going to assume that the carpet part on your Tesla is going to kind of, I don't know, like pill a little bit. I don't know if you know when you keep pulling something off of the, from Velcro, especially the pieces like carpet, it kind of like gets all like weird and more, I don't want to call it fuzzy, it just gets weird. So I don't know how I particularly feel about this, but I understand why you need to have it so it doesn't move. And then you also have some more Velcro here, and that also makes it prevent moving. And then over here as well. And like I said, I'm not the biggest fan of Velcro on this in case I don't want them forever. I want to take them off one day, and now that part of the carpet is a little messed up. So now you're gonna have a few different spots that it's gonna be Velcro to it. But yeah, let's see how this goes in. Should be pretty easy to put in. The one thing I've noticed in a few of them, and I know probably over time it'll get better, like this right here, right? It's because it was in a box. And I know a lot of them have it. I wonder if this will mold and shape back to the way it should be. The ones that I have in my car currently, I think I took them out of the box actually the day of I got them, and then it was fine. So hopefully these will do the same, and I'll show you all the different pieces. This here will be the passenger side. Same thing, you have the carpet. Same here, you have this piece that covers that area of carpet that is exposed. It comes off if you want it, you can keep it. These two pieces are for the front and your trunk. I don't know which one's which. I always mess it up. But this says Model 3 on it. This is Model 3 as well. So very, similar to what you'll get from a lot of different places. The material, that kind of woven look to it, easy to clean. I typically use a horsehair brush with some Hydrocelix interior cleaner when I clean the interior of my car, and that stuff works great to get anything off of not just this, but also your floor mats. These don't typically get that dirty, but the floor mats will, and that works quite great to get everything nice and clean. The piece that goes in the back seat as well as your trunk, super big, so there's no way I'm gonna be holding it up right now. So I'll just show you, I'm gonna lay it down on the ground and I'll show you video of it that way. So here we have the piece that goes in the trunk. you'll see there that it says Model 3. I think the one that I currently have says the name of the brand that I got. But I do kind of like the fact that it says Model 3, but it's very similar to the one that I have. Get a little bit closer here for you. As you can see, some of these corners are still a little warped, so I'm guessing once you get into the actual car, they'll start to get its shape back. Lastly, this is the piece that goes in the back seat. Again, you'll see the carpet there, and then you'll see these two pieces over here on this side and on that side. Sorry, let's focus there on that side. That covers that exposed carpet if you don't have anything there. So this is it. Some of it is a little bit warped here again, but I'm guessing once you put it in, it will get its shape back. These are the little bits that keep the carpet piece together. But again, if you don't want it, take it right off, and you'll see that is what keeps it there. Put it back if you want to, just like that. So let's put it in the car and see what it looks like. All right, guys, so we installed the floor mats into the car. Here is what it looks like. You have the Velcro that goes this way and then that way as well. So it fits pretty good in there. Here's some, like, you know, bulges here. Maybe it'll stick better as it gets used to, and I guess what's that called? I don't even know what the word is, but as it forms to the car better. And like I said, you take these off if you want to. Leave that in there if not. I will say that the Velcro does seem to kind of just come off. Let's see here, sorry. Right here. Come off the mat itself. Let me see if I can get a little bit closer. There we are. See that? Right there comes off of the actual mat. So just something to be wary of as you put these on here, but it's nice to have this right here protected. It's not protected right here or right over here, but you know, the trouble spots when you walk into the car, you do that, right? Now this protects you, so when you're walking in, if you do kick that, you don't have to worry about it. I always tell my passengers, don't kick it, just get in the car. But it's always not that easy, especially when you have younger kids who just don't really realize what they're doing, you know? So here they are all in. If you like, you know, the protection here and you don't mind the Velcro, this could be the perfect thing for you. Like I said, I'm not quite sure how I feel about the Velcro. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep these or not. I do like the ones that I currently have, but for this extra protection, it definitely is very nice. Just keep in mind that the Velcro seems to be kind of coming off. But like I said, if you want that extra protection, this is quite perfect for you. If not, then, you know, maybe there's other things. I know Yeslak does have other ones without this protection piece here, and even without this here. Let me see, I'm gonna bring this seat up. I mean, I don't know, it's pretty far off because most people are not gonna sit, you know, there. You can kind of hear it already kind of hitting the Velcro of that. So I mean, I don't know, it's okay. It's a nice little floor mat. I can see the beneficial use for these particular floor mats and why people would want them. Take that little carpet off if you want to there, leave it on, and then the extra protection. That is what I think about these particular floor mats. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Like I said, I will link these down in the description below with code Cruxoftech for a discount on this and any other thing that you get from Yeslak. So thanks for watching. If If you've liked this video, give it a nice thumbs up. Comments, questions, suggestions, anything at all, put them down in the description below. And like always, keep on living a modern lifestyle through technology. Peace.